Hey everyone, this is Mo from Open and Bell Communication, previously known as WVW Networking Solution. I'm on my way to a job site today, but I wanted to discuss a few things that I think some people are asking me about them. What we do networking and we do internet distribution either through wireless, fiber, coax if you need to, Ethernet, that, and the field that we do it, the way we do it, it's very simple and very easy. And the businesses that we deal with is either RV parks, small apartment complexes, and small rural areas or private community that they want a different internet than the one they have due to lack of speed or lack of availability. What everybody noticed in my last videos is all about fiber because this is what I'm heading right now. But I've been doing wireless for quite a little bit. Not the easy way, the complex way. That was my choice. The reason I wanted to be done a little bit complex to make it more challenging, and also because that's what I like to do. So while I use a lot of gears from Ubiquiti, I literally use only wireless devices. The rest are just mix and match from different either Cisco, Dell, a couple of open sources as a pfSense, OpenSense. Yep, and it's been working perfect for us. And actually, this particular RV park that I'm going right now has been up almost for 3 years, I'm thinking, and I'm telling you guys, never failed. Well, actually, it failed once, but it was not even my issue. It was the first tier provider that has a problem in their network, but they fixed it within a couple of hours. Other than that, it's a power outage that's out of my control if it's for a long period of time. If it's just a flicker or a couple of minutes, whatever, we have battery backup that will take care of that. Today we're going to the RV park because we're switching it 50-50, 50 fiber, 50 wireless. And to do that, we have to change a few gears. Again, like I said, either Dell or Cisco, pretty much. That's the 3-layer switch that we use. And we're trying to make it easy, simple, but we want it to be functional too. Remember, all our projects are self-funded, so we fund these projects from scratch. We don't get paid from the RV parks or the community to do deployment. So we need to make sure the budgeting way is very important for us in order to complete the project. Okay, so we do our research really good. Some stuff we give it really, really important level of attention that we need to make sure that this thing it has to be authentic. But some other things like connectors and stuff like that, we don't want to be too fancy. We're not going for 100 miles. We're just going literally for maybe a square mile or 2 square miles at the worst case scenario. So well, that was it, I guess. This is a little quick introduction, and I'll be explaining a little bit more along the way how we do things and what's the best way to do it. I'm not saying that the way we do it is either perfect or right, but what I'm saying it's the way we do it. It does work. So if you have your own way of doing things, the transition from wireless to fiber shouldn't be that hard. If you have a little background in networking and engineering, not that much, but at least you know how to subnet your network and how to do the public IP stuff and how to read your GPON connection when they need attention. Yeah, that was it. So okay, so it was nice meeting you, and we'll see you in the next videos. I'm gonna try to make a video today. I'm gonna try, but because today is kind of just swapping some equipment, so I will try, and